Hey guys, so today we're going to have another Gothic beauty box unboxing. So this is a subscription from the company Gothic Beauty, and I have on my channel a few of the boxes that they sent me in the past. I use their stuff all the time because a lot of it includes like makeup, accessories, jewelry, things like that. The white face foundation I'm wearing now is from theirs, and it is the best one that I've used. It's better than like the LA Colors one and the Hot Topic brand. I forget the name of it, but the one that came in the Gothic Beauty box that I got before was this is what I have on now. And I just feel like it's thicker and it stays better. And I have mature skin because I'm older, so I like it for that reason as well. And I don't wear my makeup like this all the time just because I am older, and I just feel like it ages me a lot if I do it. But if I was going to use the white face paint, then I would use the one that came from their box. I think it's from the Dark Asteroid Pretty collection, and I used their eyeliners that they've sent in their boxes before, and like their lip pencils and stuff like that. So I love all their stuff. I think the stuff that comes in these boxes are amazing. This is not just an exaggeration. I actually love this box. It has tons of things that you can use from it. So we're going to open the new one that just came. I'm not sure of the edition, what number it is, because I didn't look it up. I didn't want to look up what was in the box because I know that other people have made videos about this box already, and I just didn't want to see what was in there. I wanted it to be a surprise. So that's why I don't remember what the number of it was. So this is the sheet that comes with it. That has the list of everything in it, but I'm not going to read it right now because I want it to be a surprise. So let's see. This is issue, oh, so it's issue number 60. Oh, I like this picture on the front with the girl on here. Oh, it talks about Wave Gothic Treffen in there as well. Sorry for the ring light, but that's the magazine there. And oh, I know this girl. She's on TikTok. She does like a lot of really cool makeup as well. So Wave Gothic Treffen, I've always wanted to go there, but I just have never had the chance. Maybe in the future. There's some cool photo shoots in here. Lip Service, they're an affiliate with Lip Service, and they have like all different articles. There's me. They show the people that do like the videos and stuff for their channel, and I know a lot of the people because I follow them as well. So we're going to go through this box and see what awesome things are in here. So it looks like this. There's just a quick peek. And like I said, they're an affiliate of Lip Service. And I love my old Lip Service stuff that I had. It like fell apart. It disintegrated. I'm so bummed out. I wish that like it was like the vinyl, you know, PVC stuff. And I think I ended up throwing it away because I don't know how to salvage something like that. It's quite sad, but I think they have new stuff now that you can buy clothing. I think it's limited, but they do have things you can get. So first off, this looks like silicone molds, which is good for me because I make soap, or it could be for making ice. I mean, whatever you want to make out of chocolate, you can do chocolate with it. But it has this mat in the back, I guess, because you put it on like that. But I would totally just make soap out of it, and it's got like the little tombstones. Here lies, there's a skull, rest in peace, spider web. Actually, I really like this one down here. I think that one's pretty cool. So that's pretty good. So yeah, you can use it for whatever you want. Next we have, what is this? I don't know what this, oh, matte lip gloss. Matte lip gloss. I don't really have much lip gloss. I don't really wear it that much. But I've seen people with like black lip gloss that I think is pretty cool looking. But I don't have any of that. But I don't know what color this is. Matte lip gloss? Isn't lip gloss supposed to be shiny? Hence gloss, not matte. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. What company makes this? Dragon Rene matte lip gloss. Oh, this looks like liquid lipstick, like not gloss. I'm not going to put it on because I have lipstick on, but that's what it looks like. It doesn't really look like a gloss. I'm going to have to try that on at some point later, but look at how cute the top of it is. And then Spooky Spirits, they do like fragrance oils, like roll-ons, and they're actually always like really good. Ooh, Midnight Forest, midnight. Just kidding. I can't, hold on. I feel like this thing is a little wobbly. This one's pretty good. It's like it's a light scent. I'll put it on. Ooh, that actually smells really good. That actually smells wicked. It smells like something familiar. You know where you get like deja vu from smelling something? Like that's what I have right now. I get that sometimes, and I get that from scents, like not places I see or like things I'm doing. I usually get deja vu from a scent of something. This reminds me of like the 90s, like growing up in the 90s, like the goth scene and stuff. That's what that smells like. It smells really good. This is Lashy Dual Rule, another company that they work with. Eyeliner stamp, and they send, I've had these before, like they have a stamp on one side and it's a pen on another side, which I am glad to get a new one because I'm running out of like the black like end to do like eyeliner. And this one is a like little skull. So cute. Let's try it out. Oh, that looked like shit. Oh my god, it's probably because my hands are like wrinkly. Okay, ignore the other ones. But like it's that one right there. That's cute, isn't it? And then the other end is just like the regular felt tip pen, which I love. And this is like so thin and like easy to use. I love it to do like the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so Dark Asteroid Pretty, that's the foundation I was talking about. This Dark Asteroid Pretty Ghostly Foundation and Lightning Potion. Oh, this looks like the same stuff that I already had. That I just used for my face right now. Sorry, my posture is really bad. I should probably sit up. Yeah, it's the same thing. So this is literally what I just used, which is good to get more because, you know, if you run out, you get another bottle. This Soft Black Makeup Blender. I've been needing more beauty blenders. I'm terrible with my beauty blenders. I like use them until like they're crumbling apart, and then I don't buy new ones, and I just keep washing them. But I got one of these before from them. Oh, this one's better. This one has like the flat side. The other one I had has like the round one, and then it has the pointed side, which is good because I don't use a brush to put on, like a foundation brush to do my makeup. I just feel like it looks awful for me that way. It's like really streaky, and I don't know, I don't really like it. So it's always good to have more beauty blenders. And then what is this? Fluffy blending brush. I could always use more brushes because the cats like get on my makeup table and then like they rub their faces against the brushes and then they get all full of hair and stuff. Oh, this one's like really nice. It's just like a fluffy ended blending brush, which is really good to do like your eyeshadow. I keep smelling the perfume. It fucking smells amazing. Love it. And then the last thing we have is a little ring. So cute. I love getting jewelry. You can never have enough jewelry. And it's this like skull kind of doing like a back bend, like around. You see that? Let me see if I can try it on. Oh, is it adjustable? Oh yeah, it's adjustable. Because right now it just fits on my pinky, but I can adjust it to fit on my ring finger. Isn't that cute? I like it. You know what? I'll just keep it as a pinky ring. I don't ever wear pinky rings, and I like them, so I should do that. So that is it from this beauty box. Let's go through the sheet of paper, see what it says. Oh, this is the background information. It does not contain spoilers for this box. Yeah, okay, so that's that. And this is, I think, the one that says what's inside of there. Retail value $177 for only $49, which may be going up soon. Well, it's still a pretty good deal for all the stuff that you get from them. It's good quality. It's not literally, it's not junk. This issue features Short in Wander, Dark Enchanting Garments. I can't speak German. Designed by Joanna Gierga and Frederic and modeled by Safiera Obscura, Mandy Toxic, Jopi, Justinizer, I'm sorry, I'm bad with names, and Frederic Wave Goth Traffic Music Portraits and Extraordinary Encounters, Photo Journal by Anne Bertram, the Art of Dan Eternal with Ink, Ash, Blood, and Bone, and Lenore and Nikki explore Oaxaca, Mexico for Authentic Day of the Dead. And it says, plus book reviews and music reviews with spotlights on Black Spikes, Dead Cool, The Awakening, Massive Ego, and Boy George. So Dark Asteroid Pretty Full-Size Ghostly Foundation, Lashy Doodle double-sided ink marker with skull stamp. So the foundation is $40. The eyeliner is $13. Lashy Doodle soft teardrop makeup blender, $20. Dark Asteroid Pretty Fluffy Blending Brush retails for $32. Spooky Spirits Midnight Forest, $27. Dragon Renee Waterproof Long Wearing Liquid Lipstick. I knew it was liquid lipstick and not just lip gloss. $4. That's pretty cheap, and it looks pretty good. Castle Mark Tombstone Ice Cube Mold. These assorted grave marker designs will give you all the parties a spookier side. Silicone retails for $11. Eerie Baubles Adjustable Skeleton Ring. Also available in sterling silver, $15. And then there's like coupon codes for lip service and all that stuff. So I'd say it's pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Gothic Beauty box, subscription box. I love their stuff. Like I said, I appreciate that they send this to me. It's amazing. Every time I get one of these, I'm super excited when I see it show up in the mail. I will put the link below so you guys can purchase one for yourselves. I'm guarantee you will not be displeased with it at all. Like, you will literally love all the stuff that they have in there. I thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please think about becoming a subscriber to this channel. All the information down below for all my social media and stuff. If you want to become a patron and see patron-only videos or become a member of this channel, that's all down below too. And until next time, stay dark, my friends, and I will talk to you guys later.